Hello guys, today I'm going to make a video how to play Minecraft and play Parkour challenge. We are going to make a Parkour challenge in our world. So we are going to start our video first. Please like my channel and subscribe. I am aiming for 20,000 likes and 20,000 subscribers. Please like and subscribe our channel, please. Thunder Gamers. Now we are going to start our game. I have made my half, it is less than half. I have made a wall for the Parkour challenge. Now we are going to continue it. If you want to make a Parkour challenge, you can make more bigger than me also, because it will be more appreciable and good. I am making a small because I have to complete it in this video only. You can make bigger than me also. Going to make I am taking obsidian blocks. I also suggest you to take obsidian blocks, because when anything blasts to it, it will not get damaged. Any block will not get damaged of obsidian, because it is a powerful substance in this game, or I said powerful block. Or you can take more blocks like wooden blocks, but I think I have to suggest I want this block only. Now I think I have completed half of the part of the wall. Oh, it's night now. I think I have to sleep, because in black things it is difficult to locate where is the block of the obsidian, because it is also like a black. But we are making our Parkour challenge in the not survival mode, in creative mode, because it takes too much time to find the substances for the Parkour challenge. It takes lot of substance. I suggest you to do this thing in your creative mode. I think we have to make more bigger Parkour challenge to make it more fun. I think I should increase the wall. Wait a minute, I will increase the wall now. This much now, I think, or more bigger. Now I am very fast at making the blocks, because I think that I cannot make this video in half an hour. That's why I am doing very faster. Now I think it is very bigger, that we much want more fun. Do not close it from the upper side, because if you take obsidian blocks or any block, do not get any light in it, and it will become a dark place. So I am not making any roof or from blocks of obsidian. I think I should make the roof from the glass blocks. This is the best option, but I don't want it. So guys, I am not making the roof. It is almost there. We are going to make our Parkour challenge. Guys, I have seen many viewers that they watch the video but do not like and subscribe my channel. Please guys, like and subscribe my channel, because I made this video. It takes my very good time, enough time to make this. Please guys, like and subscribe channel. Do not forget to smash the like button. We are almost there. Please comment in the chat box that you like the Parkour challenge or not. If you do not like, please write in comment box. So I will not make enough videos on this Parkour. I will make a few Parkour challenges if you will not like this video. So tell me guys your topic which you want to make. I will want to tell you that I do not know to make XP farm. So do not write XP farm in chat box, please guys. Or I think I will learn it quickly. We are almost there. And guys, please also comment in the comment box that you like which block, an Obsidian block or another block. Please write in comment section that which information you like, that I have tell you in the video. And please guys, also like my previous videos that I have made on WWC2 cricket, and I think I have made a video on Minecraft part 1. I will make more videos on Minecraft part 2, 3, 4 like that. We are going to complete our Parkour building. So then we are going to place the blocks. Please guys, note that which block you have to take another block to make stairs or like that Parkour blocks is to we are jumping on that, because if you do not place another blocks, it will looks like that it is a wall only. So guys, please make blocks on the wall with another blocks, not with obsidian, because it looks like a wall, because the wall is also of obsidian. Guys, we are almost there. Guys, in the comment box, if I get that many of the viewers do not like the Parkour challenge, so I will not make more videos on this topic. I will make rarely on this topic video. only few parts is left of the building. So then we can play our Parkour challenge. Only 2 lines of blocks are left today. Now, sorry. Wow, now our Parkour challenge building is completed. Now we only have to place the blocks. See, this is my character. It looks very good. Now we are going to place the blocks. Oh, sorry. In the front settings, we cannot place a block. We cannot see the block. Now we have to do the first person. Now it is going to complete. Few blocks are left when I am doing it very fast. Now I am going to take oak wooden planks. Now we are going to make like this. First I have to test this, that I can go to this block. Oh yes, yeah, we can go in this block also. I am placing blocks like this. You also have to place blocks like this only. Now you have to cut the blocks off the downwards. You have to close this. Look, this is looking so great. Now we have to jump on this to this. This is so easy, guys. You can also do like this. Now I am making this to this to this. Now I am going to stairs. Sorry, not stairs, ladder. And we have to place on this like. So now it's going to night. We are going to sleep now. This video is going to be best video. And please watch my videos carefully so that I can tell you all the instructions. Oh, I do not see this. That if I will go to this block, it will block my way in when I am jumping. So I have to do this. I have to place the ladder to it. Now we have going to finish this video, and I will also try this Parkour challenge. First I have to do now survival settings. Now we have done the survival settings. Wait, I have to drop this lead to the ground. Yes. Now we are going to start now we are going to test our Parkour challenge. Oh, I got slipped from this dead block. Oh, second time I have taken the this is really really hard because we get slipped from blocks like this. If guys I cannot do the Parkour challenge, so I will make next video playing Parkour challenge. Oh, we literally got. Wow, we have. Oh, sorry guys. I got. First, I have to take out the ladder because I do not want ladders now when I am doing the Parkour challenge. Wait a minute, guys. Yes. Oh, we literally slipped. That's why it is really hard to jump on the fast speed in our mobile. I am pro in the laptop, but I am making the video in phone because it is easy to make to transfer. We do not have to transfer any videos to our phone because I have a channel in this video in this phone only. So guys, literally it is so difficult to play in mobile phone. See, I am slipping down from the blocks very easily. We have come. Wow, we have done this. Now we have to jump. We have jumped from this. Wait a minute. Oh, I don't think that I have made a mistake. Wait guys, we have to solve that mistake. I do not see that, and we are going to start from that checkpoint because I have got not slipped. I have to get jumped on this, but it blocked. The jump blocked by the second blocks which is on my head. Wait guys, now I can jump on this, but I cannot jump. Wait a minute, I have to test this. Yes, we can do this now. Settings. Now we are going to first we have to go on that point which we are here. Now we have to do. Wait a minute, I have not placed the ladders on that. Oh, wait a minute guys, we have to place the ladder on this and this, so we can go to that. Oh wow. Oh, I have. Wait a minute now. Guys, I have on survival creative mode only. Wait a minute. Survival. Now we are on survival mode. Oh, we get down from the. Wait a minute guys, I am going on. Yes, we have jumped on. Oh guys, we are literally very at the end point. So guys, you have seen that. Oh yes, now we can move within no stuffs of our. Literally, I got down. Oh guys, I now seen that we do not have to full speed jump on that block. We only have to move like this, not on this only. There, that is the reason I am falling down. I have jumped. Oh, we are fallen down, guys, and we have gotten our all the stuffs which we do not want in this, guys. I am literally sorry, but I cannot. I want to do the Parker challenge, but I am falling down many times from the Parker challenge. Wait a minute, guys. This is the reason that I do not want substance when I am doing the Parker challenge. Wait a minute, I am falling down it one substance into their hair. Yes, now I am moving with our free hand. Oh, I messed up. I have do the fast double click on the arrow button, on moving arrow button to forward. Here we have to move fast, so we have to double click. Here also we have to do that. Oh, literally, guys, I have fallen down. Wait a minute, guys, I have to eat the food for the health. I think, guys, we have to fallen from upside to get full health. But guys, I will do my best in this video. Wait a minute, we have respawned, guys. That's why, guys, I am saying that I couldn't do my all video in half an hour, because this is a really hard task to finish the Parker challenge. I think it is almost not night. So guys, please comment in comment box that you like the video or not. But I am not stopping the video now. Wait a minute, we can do this Parker challenge. I think it is almost night. Yes. But I will do the Parker challenge. Wait a minute. I will now do the Parker challenge. Oh, I cannot. I am falling many times from the blocks. Why, guys? I do not click on jump button. Now guys, I am going to do the parkour challenge. Wait a minute guys. Oh guys, this is really so hard in mobile. Oh guys, we literally fall down. Now guys, we have literally get only 2 lives. Now I have only 1 life. If I will fall, I will get died. But guys, I will do this parkour challenge in this video only. It literally take my 14 minutes. I have from I think 14 minutes we are falling down from the parkour challenge. How I get slipped from that block now? So close, yes. Yes, we are so close. Yes. Yeah, guys, we have completed our challenge. Now I will block this. I am going to now stop this video here. First, I will going to cut this block when I will win. Now I will do this. Now we have done. Now I will make ladder when we get over the challenge. Now I am going to that point only, and then if I will get killed, so I will not win the game. This is a next challenge. Now I have to do settings, survival. Now we have win the guys. We have win the parkour challenge. Now I am going to off my video. Sorry, I am going to end my video here, guys. You watch the video but do not subscribe and like our channel. Please guys, subscribe and like our channel. This is my pet, God's Player Bacon. God Player Bacon. Now if you want to name your pet, I will also tell how to name your pets. Now first I am going to creative, survival to creative to understand you. First take anvil. Taken, and you want name tag. Place the anvil anywhere you want. Click on it. Take your name pad here, which you want to name. Take your name tag here. Enter the name and that you want. Wait a minute, I am doing. Now you can change our name Backo. God Player Backo. Now we have made our change to it. Now we can change the name to Golden Pet Bacon. Backo. See Backo. Now guys, please subscribe my channel and watch my videos on them and subscribe my channel. Please watch my previous videos I have made on WWC to cricket and Minecraft part 1. There you can learn many things that I have told. You can make a portal which you want, make write in chat box that what you want. Do not know that how to make portal, anything, write in chat box. Now bye guys. I hope that your day goes good. I think that you are not suffering from corona. Please, being safe is very good, and become not safe is not good. Bye guys.